So I wanted to talk about chronic inflammation today and just a few things that you can be doing through some herbs and foods that you can use to help reduce this inflammation. Chronic inflammation is definitely not fun. I know it causes a lot of muscle pain, joint pain, stiffness in the mornings, and it's just the cause of so many illnesses that people are struggling with nowadays. So we're going to talk about a few things that you can do to help reduce this inflammation, and I'll show you three of my favorites right now. So first of all, we have our bone broth, which I have cooking over here right now, and I have the recipe. I'll link that below. Sorry, I'm trying to get it in the camera. So we have the bone broth cooking. This bone broth takes about 24 to 48 hours to cook, and it's just great to go ahead and drink a cup of that daily for about at least, two things. You could do a 4-day bone broth fast, which is a great way to take in the bone broth. You could also do bone broth for about 2 to 3 weeks and drink a cup of it in the morning. That's very healing, decreases the inflammation in the body, healing to the gut. Another one of my favorites is to use fresh or powdered turmeric, fresh or powdered. I don't have the fresh on me right now, or fresh or powdered ginger. And I like to make different teas or drinks with both of these and use those a lot in seasoning my foods. Those both help to lower inflammation. And lastly, I just wanted to share one of my favorite supplement products. And this one here is called Sulfurzyme, and it's by a company Young Living makes Sulfurzyme. And Sulfurzyme is actually it's an enzyme as well as the trace mineral sulfur. Many of us are very low in sulfur, and it is nothing to do with the antibiotic, that type of sulfur. So you don't have to worry if you do have an allergy to sulfur type antibiotics. This is not that type of sulfur. And it is trace mineral that we are low in, many people, and this actually helps to lower the inflammation as well. So what I do is I take these on an empty stomach, both in the morning and before bed, and it has over the years just helped significantly. Within I would say within 1 to 2 weeks of consistently taking this, it helped me to just feel so much better. So just wanted to give you guys those quick tips on inflammation. Thanks for joining me today on this short video for improving your health. And go ahead and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to get more of my health tips. Thank you. I'm Heather with Essential Vitality. I look forward to seeing you around.